to the weakest link.
Mike Perito, 32 years old, computer graphic artist from Santa Mesa, Manila.
Start the clock. Anong titik ang hindi binibigkas sa salitang weapon?
Wala.
A. Sa English ang sinasabing perang peke o fake at ipinagbawal na pagbayad.
Counterfeit.
Correct. Sino ang first letter ng salitang psychosis?
P.
Correct. Your house is on fire. Meron kayong arsonista. It's time to vote off. What do you think? He's the weakest link. Mike, what is your occupation?
Computer graphic artist.
Computer graphic artist. Hindi mo nakuha yung salitang hindi binibigkas sa weapon.
Kala ko kasi yung A eh. Bisaya kasi ako.
Ganun ba?
Waray.
Sige, I will adjust accordingly as we go into the later rounds. Mike, true or false? Ang tanyag na si Jose Garcia Villa ay isang kilalang pintor.
False.
Correct. Mike, ang Minneapolis and St. Paul, Minnesota ay twin cities sa aling bansa.
USA.
Mike, anong ginagawa ng mga ballroom dancing?
Sayaw.
Correct. You only bank 3,000 pesos. It's getting worse by the round. Meron kayong mabigat na 5. May saritong sa halip na contestant, dapat home viewer lamang. Mike, bakit si Omar?
Scorpio kasi ako eh. Pag ako kinanti mo, gagantihan din kita.
So bumabawi ka lang kay Omar?
Binoto niya ako kanina ng early rounds eh. Kaya hindi ko kinalimutan yun.
You bank a total of 2,000 pesos.
Si Omar Ovid, ang strongest link. Si Mike, ang weakest link statistically.
We want to know, who do you think is the weakest link? Mike, bakit si Bong?
Wala lang, malapit sa akin eh. Wala na akong makatabi oh.
Ba't hindi lang si Norman? Malapit
Mas nakaharap ako dito.
Kaliwete ka ba o kanan?
Parehas.
Parehas. Nataon lang, doon ka nakapaling sa kanan. Mike, sinong US film star ang naging isang prinsesa nang siya ay magpakasal noong 1956?
Princess Kelly.
Mike, anong W ang isa sa mga patterns ng fingerprint?
Pass.
You only bank 5,000 pesos sa round na yan. Mike, bakit si Omar?
Magaling eh.
Tignan mo, tanggalin ang isang magaling, kaya nyo pa rin.
Strategy lang yun.
Hindi ka talaga makapagantay.
Oo.
Well, we have a tie, 2 votes para kay Omar, 2 para kay Mike. Jerry, ikaw ang strongest link ng huling round. You get to choose who will be voted off.
I think I would stick to my answer, Omar.
Well, Omar, with 2 votes, and that of the strongest link, you are the weakest link. Goodbye. Pagkatapos ng 5 round na possible 625,000 pesos, ang nababank nyo pa lang, 27,000 pesos. Mike, ano ang complete first name ng sikat na composer na si Mozart?
Pass.
At si Mike sa tatlong magkakasunod na pagkakataon statistically ang weakest link. Sino kaya sa kanila ang magtatapos?
It's time to reveal who you think is the weakest link. Bakit si Norman?
Mas malapit-lapit siya sa akin eh.
Mas marami siyang,
Magaling din eh.
mas marami siyang tamang sagot. Lahat ng mga tumabi sa'yo isa-isa. Binotof mo.
Galit yata ako sa magagaling.
Parang ganun ang dating sa akin Norman, you were not the weakest link based on statistics. But at this point, ang mahalaga ay yung mga boto. With 2 votes, you are the weakest link. Goodbye. This is your last chance. Pero kung ano man ang inyong ibabank, aming dodoblehin Total prize money at stake in this round, 250,000 pesos. Mike, ano ang kulay ng uwak? Black. Correct. Mike, gumagamit ba ng tennis racket sa basketball?
Hindi.
Correct. Mike, kung ang fat ay mataba, ano ang payat?
Thin.
Correct. So the next round where you will be playing head-to-head.
Exodus.
That is the wrong answer. The correct answer is Leviticus. Mike, sa automobiles, ano ang SUV?
Pass.
The correct answer is Sport Utility Vehicle. Jerry, saan lalawigan matatagpuan ang oldest street sa Pilipinas?
Cebu.
That is the correct answer. Mike, ano ang English translation ng Mardi Gras?
Celebration.
That is the wrong answer. The correct answer is Fat Tuesday. Ang gamit ni Dirty Harry. Mike, you must get this question correctly to stay in the game. Sinong Soviet president ang nagtatag ng reform programs na Glasnost at Perestroika?
Kremlin.
That is a wrong answer. The correct answer is Mikhail Gorbachev. Jerry, ikaw ang aming strongest link, ikaw ang mag-uwi ng 61,000 pesos. Mike, you go home with nothing. Tune in again when we play The Weakest Link. Goodbye.
I respect Mike, and I know that he also did his best. But the truth of the fact is, even if I chose to answer the question first, I would have answered all those 4 questions.
Sabing manalo si Jerry sa akin. I must admit that.
For this game, I'm the better I'm the better competitor, and that makes me the strongest link, I think.
Swerte lang. Hindi naman talaga sobrang galing.